Just some sights and sounds climbing Coco Head on an early January Monday morning. The wind was really howling. It's hard to pick up in the video, but it was kind of spooky. Now the sun's up. There's Hanauma Bay and some views of the South Shore. There's a lot of trails up here. We took our dog this time. He really enjoyed it. Got a lot of love from other hikers. Here's the view from the other side and the way back down. It's moderately challenging. Definitely bring water and a snack. Take your time and enjoy the views.